Look at this view of the old junkyard cleanup. So I'm going to be showing y'all just some shit and junk that was left behind from all these campers. So all up in this front field of the yard, there was only campers, RVs, and then camper trailers in this part. So showing you the aftermath. You used to pass by here and there was campers and junk here. Sadly, I never got to see them in like up close and in depth inside or anything. I know. So hubcap right here. Look at that hubcap. Buried. Supposed to be getting some more snow tomorrow, folks. I wonder what this thing is. Ooh. Wow. That thing is rusted. That thing went in the ground. That was stuck underground from sitting so long. They did pretty good clearing up. There's some more insulation of the trailer campers. It gets messier back here. Oh, shit, that almost cut me. Go see what this is. Okay. I don't know what this is, so. I'm just fine. That's my second big piece of chunk of metal that I found underground that I dug up, folks. See if that's better for you guys. There's not much, but it's still a little messier. Wait till you get up there, it gets way a little messier, way messier. I mean, whew. Oh, more glass. That was from the one of the old RVs that we drugged out. They had a forklift and they lifted it through the freaking windshield. It was an old Dodge D200 RV, and I was passing by here we were at the town dump up the road, and we stopped and looked, me and Darius, and we stopped and watched them pull like 2 campers out, and one of them was a Dodge D200, and they was listening to it through the windshield, so I got to see them drag stuff out. This is, like I said, I passed here many years seeing these RVs. I never been through the back, and I don't remember seeing the cars in the back, but there were. But I never got to see the cars. I just seen them on images and stuff. So there's pictures of the cars. More aluminum, or yeah, aluminum. And then here's the junk pile. I mean, whew. There's more tires there too, folks. And in this area of the yard, tires aren't popular. There's not much tires in this yard, but one of these days, on a drier day, I'm gonna take both of these tires and put them back in my pile that I have of tires. Over here is more messy. Here's the messiest part of the yard. Yeah. Man, they did pretty good. I mean, look, unnoticeable. You know, you can't, like, from sitting so long, you can't even see the spot that the vehicles left, like the dry spot. From sitting so long, they did a good job. You can't even tell that anything was over in this part, but over here, yeah. So I think I'm trying to remember with my mind, if I remember where exactly were the RVs. Like in the exact spot. They were in this section, but how far, I don't remember. I just remember RVs. Some RVs were right here. Some were spread out. Some were over here. Definitely there was some right here. But this is like the junk, probably. A lot of this, I think a lot of this stuff is just the junk that was dumped from the RVs. I know a few guys that we saw, they had this forklift. They dumped some of the leftover junk from the inside of the back of the RVs, and they just dumped some shit, and you can see here. I just remember one of the guys did. They had like I said, I think it was that Dodge D200 camper, and they lifted up, they tipped over, so some of the junk, that's what they did with a lot of these campers. They just took a lot of the junk and dumped them out, and now look at it. So, another tire. Yeah. Some logs over there. Love sharing you guys with this stuff. Love it. Some more hubcaps. Oh. But they're kind of more tail lights or lights. Definitely does not smell good. More another hubcap. I haven't gone up in depth of this area. Like, I haven't picked through the ground. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, see, I would have got a lot of this stuff out of here, guys. I mean, I guess I'm picky, If I was cleaning this out, I probably had a lot of this stuff gone. Even that stuff, even that size matters. I mean, to them, they got a lot of the big stuff. I probably would have got a lot of the littler stuff too. But they did a good job though, There's a big ass tire and this is probably the end of the video here, because like I said, just some stuff over there. But yeah, make sure you give this video a like. And yeah. Oh shoot, there's more shit over here. football. Huh. There's the old Jeep. Yeah, guys, make sure you give this video a like, and we'll see you in the next video whenever I do post. We'll probably see that big snowstorm that we're possibly getting. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, folks.